dear, somebody's made a blockage. Beep beep.
Why would he do that?
Because he's an idiot.
They're nice this morning, aren't they? So would this be R right away?
No, it's whoever gets there first is an argument now.
That's what I mean.
It's a full-on argument.
No, it's fine.
I wouldn't have done that though.
What's he doing?
I literally got no idea. And then you go, thank you, thank you. That's how you deal with that. Okay? Cool. Resurface! Yay!
What is this car doing?
Look at the state of it. What do you think it's doing? It can't drive
Jesus!
Knobhead. That's the reason you don't park on the wrong side of the road, Alexei. Because you end up doing that and blocking the road and trying to get back out again.
Yeah.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Good.
That's a stupid place to park, isn't it?
Repeat that a bit louder, Alexei.
So that's a bit of a stupid place to park, isn't
Clap
it?
and call him a knobhead then.
No bed.
Thank you. Ooh la la! Ooh la la!
It's not for sandwiches.
Yeah. What a stupid noise.
When the winter stars arrive,
What's she flapping about?
What's she flapping about?
Oh, right tart.
Yeah, because she thought she had right away, but she didn't.
Flap?
Yeah, well that's what happens when you buy Mercedes and you've got your head up your ass.
Oh, you didn't look, did he?
Prick! Oh come on, drive your car, man!
What is he doing?
I have no idea. I don't think he knows how to drive. I literally got no idea. It's going to take up both lanes now, isn't it? So nobody can get past it. I bet it's like an old man or some sort of like ape. Oh.
And she's got her phone in her hand and kids in the back.
Wow. Wow, wow, wow. Come on then. I can't get through there. Go, 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 yay! I hope I killed it. The cyclist pulled out, didn't bother looking, and I ran over his phone. I know, oh no, what a shame.
I wouldn't have done that then.
You did do that though on the hill, Alexei.
I know, but...
You nearly killed cyclists on a hill.
Oh! I was going to say, why...
Slow down, because you don't know what them cyclists are doing. You have to slow down. Slow down, slow down, slow down, slow down, slow down. You've got to match our speed. Stay back, stay back. Slow down, slow down, slow down. Give her, just go for it, go for it. Go, go, go. Right. Now that was stupid.
I know! Oh, his ass is sticking out.
Oh, we're going to be forced to stay behind it now.
I know I didn't do it on a hill, but like I said before, because I'm not behind the wheel, I wouldn't have done it then, like he did, because I was the car coming down.
Yeah.
Yeah? Oh, look at that crack. Dirty bitch.
Oh, no. There's a parking space.
Huh?
Maisie, there's a parking space, literally, just behind that car that was parked stupid. There was an entire car parking space. Why did they not just park in it? I know, it's so annoying, isn't it? Rear cam.
Huh?
Maisie, I hope when you grow up, when you grow up and you be a big girl and you're driving all by yourself, I hope you never do stupid stuff like that.
Now we want to drive.
You want to drive now? Well, you can't at the moment, sorry. Because we're on the road. I know in my luck, a policeman will come and catch us doing it, so you have to wait. Rear cam.
Working.
Rear cam.
Working.
Rear cam.
Working.
No, rear cam.
Working.
I've got to remind myself rear cam means me because I'll forget otherwise.
Working, Cam.
Yeah, rear cam.
Working. Cam. What's that?
Oh my god. My god. Oh. Well, why are we beating
The fuck, man?
Did you?
I didn't beat, no. It had nothing to do with me. No, you didn't just stop at the fucking green light, did you? Your knobhead. Oh dear. Oh, painful. You're getting beeped at your knobhead. It's not a red light. Fuck's sake. We're going to have to watch coming from the other way to see what that looks like. Alright, so I'm going to show you what it looks like coming from the other way. There we go. Yes, the light's red, but you don't stop it, do you? You don't stop. I understand if it was a learner, that would make sense, but someone who's like passed their testing is like a qualified driver, in quotes. You just don't do that, do you? So somebody wasn't thinking, they weren't concentrating, were they? Oh dear, there.
What happened there? Did we all just go through a red light?
Yep. Go, dickhead! Jesus Christ, man! Alexii, I'm calm. When you're driving, never just stop randomly in the middle of the road and let a car out like that. Okay? If you're stuck in traffic and there's like little movement up in front and you think, right, well, I've only got to go up there and I'm going to stop anyway, so I'll let him, then you let him out, yeah? You don't just stop in the middle of the fucking road when there's cars coming the other way to let somebody out. That's stupid.
Oh yeah, that is stupid.
Right, it's good. And to make pretty little fruits. Yeah?
Right.
Not for their flavour.
So, are they edible or not?
You could eat them, they're just not very nice.
Well, I tried. I didn't know that. It said chili plants, we think you can eat them.
I didn't know that, I thought you could eat them all, but apparently some are just ornamentals, just for decoration and not for eating.
Well, that's shit then, isn't it?
Seems like you could eat everything in your mother's garden, like all the flowers and that, but it's just not going to taste very nice, so you won't bother, would you?
She likes cutting you up today, doesn't she? He likes cutting you up. What is he doing?
I just thought I was having some fun with it, I thought it'd be funny.
Yeah, but that's twice now he's done that.
There's a special little snowflake in an Alfa! What do you expect it to do?
Fucking prick, mind.
Chill.
Oh no, he's a cunt.
Well, yeah, but I'm only having a laugh with him.
But that's not the point. He should get in the right fucking lane then, shouldn't he? Oh, I'm going to be so bad with our driver, aren't I?
Yes.
It's all your fault.
Then you just got to laugh at them. Don't get stressed unless they do something properly stupid.
Yeah, like that.
Yeah, but you've seen what he's going to do. He tried it a minute ago. So you just got to laugh at him and just take the piss.
Well, why can't you just get in the right lane?
Because it's a knobhead.
Twice.
Look. I wouldn't let him in, okay?
Yeah, so you shouldn't.
And then they get like really upset and uptight about that, yeah? And they didn't like it, so they'll do anything to get in front of me then. And he's only going to Tesco, so he's not in a rush to go to hospital or anywhere like that. He's just going shopping, yeah? But you had to get in front because his mind turned to shit when I wouldn't let him in, yeah? And that's what people do. They go mental when you don't do what they want. If you don't let them do what they want, they just go fucking nuts. And they'll try and cut in and they'll overtake you, they'll undertake you, do everything they can to get in front at all costs. Some people are like that. You've got to learn to deal with dickheads.
Oh, no, I'll just say, right, get out your fucking car, you cunt. Oh, I don't know how to do that. It winds me up. I'm clutching my seat and everything, man.
Oh,
Quick, relay.
A great success.
Move! Dickhead! The next person who flashes me because they think I have my fucking full beams on, I am gonna flash them back and I'm gonna fucking blind them and give them something to flash me for. Stop fucking flashing me, dickhead! I just realised I got copyrighted music on that entire fucking clip. But I will repeat what I said. What the actual fuck, you knobhead?